Computer memory. Computer memory is a device that stores computer's data and programs. It stores program, data results, or any kind of information. Memory stores binary information, that is zeros and ones, in internal storage areas in the computer. Moreover, the term memory is usually used as a shorthand for physical memory, which refers to the actual chips capable of holding data. Some computers also use virtual memory, which expands physical memory onto a hard disk. Unit, abbreviation, approximate value in bytes, actual value in bytes. Unit, kilobyte, abbreviation KB, approximate value 1000 bytes, actual value 1024 bytes. Unit, megabyte, abbreviation MB, approximate value 1 million bytes, actual value 10,48,576 bytes. Unit, gigabyte, abbreviation GB, approximate value 1 billion bytes, actual value 1,07,37,41,824 bytes. Unit, terabyte, abbreviation TB, approximate value 1 trillion bytes, actual value 10 trillion 99 billion 51 billion 16 lakhs 27,776 bytes.